Hello friends, this is Shailendra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will learn about US dollar index, which is also known as USDX or DXY or DY. Friends, first of all we will know what is US dollar index. So, it is a measure of United States dollar relative to the value of basket of currencies. So, which currencies? This basket of currencies include currencies of six countries or the countries which are dealing with these currencies. These currencies include Euro, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, British pound, and Swedish krona. So, this is krona, not corona. So, don't be afraid, friends. So, why these currencies? It is because the countries dealing with these currencies are the major trading partners of the United States, and value of dollar will change on the basis of outflow and inflow demand of United States dollar on account of trade between United States and any of these countries. Any major change in the trade relation of these countries with United States will affect the value of dollar, which in turn affect the import and export transaction of these countries and United States and other countries of the world also, because major US dollar is the common currency for most of the countries, so it will affect the trade of other countries also. So US dollar index is the very much important index which should be monitored regularly, and it is monitored regularly by the economists, by the traders and merchants, so that they can keep close watch on this index. Now we will know about the calculation. The index is currently calculated by factoring in exchange rates of six major currencies which I have told earlier, and the euro is the major currencies which have the weightage of 57.6% in the index, and weightage of rest of the currencies are Japanese yen 13.6%, Great Britain pound 11.9%, Canadian dollar 9.1%, Swedish krona 4.2%, and Swiss franc 3.6%, friends. So the formula is US dollar index equal to 50.1434812 into euro in terms of USD to the power of minus 0.576 into USD in terms of JPY to the power of 0.136 into GBP in terms of USD to the power of minus 0.119 into USD in terms of CAD to the power of 0.0191, USD in terms of Swedish krona to the power of 0.042, and USD in terms of Swiss franc to the power of 0.036. So friends, here you can see that the power of euro and GB pound is in negative. This is because here euro and GB pound is the base currency. That means we can write euro in terms of United States dollar, like 1 euro equal to $1.17 say, or 1 Great Britain pound equal to 1.29 US dollar. So we are writing euro and pound in terms of dollar, while for other currencies we are writing US dollar in terms of other currencies, like 1 USD equal to 0.92 Swiss franc, or equal to 8.93 Swedish krona, or equal to 105.27 Japanese yen, or equal to 1.33 Canadian dollar. So for other countries US dollar is the base currency, while euro and GB pound are the base currencies for United States. So the sign is negative and positive. So friends, this index is started in 1973 with a base of 100, and values since then are relative to this base. means if the value goes above 100, say 110, that means US dollar has appreciated versus the basket of currencies by 10%. If the values come down to 100, below 100, say 90, that means US dollar is depreciated against this basket of currencies by 10%. So the only change in this index or the formula of index happened in 1999 when euro replaced the other European Union currency. Friends, in future we can see that some currencies may be replaced, or we can see other currencies may be added. Like China is now the major trading partner of the United States. Similarly, Mexico is also a growing trading partner of the United States. So the currencies of these two countries, Chinese yuan and Mexican peso, can also be the part of this index. As you know, you are watching that US and China trade war is going on, and dollar value is very much fluctuating due to this. So this index may not show us the true value of the dollar. So in future we should add the other currencies which are affecting the value of dollar. As of now we are using this index. Any change, if it will happen, I will let you know. So now come to the analysis. How the traders interpret this? Friends, traders and merchants use this index to monitor the US dollar against the basket of select countries in a single transaction. They don't have to go currency wise position of US dollar. From this index they can know what is the value of dollar against this basket of currencies. So they will hedge their funds against any risk which may arise due to future changes in the value of dollar. Say if dollar is appreciated, what will happen? If dollar is appreciated, then other country or the currencies importer will have to pay more amount of their local currency against the dollar. That means American goods will be expensive now, and US exporter will find their product less competitive against other countries. So this can affect their trade, which in turn will again affect the value of dollar and these currencies, and which can create very bad situation. So the importers and traders can hedge their risk by watching or close watching the value of index. So friend, this is the interpretation of this index. Economists also use this index so that they can plan accordingly or can suggest the government to take the decision accordingly, so that situation may not become worse. So I hope you have now understood the concept of US dollar index, its formula, its interpretation. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, please share and like the video. For more videos you can comment in the comment box. I will make videos on the basis of your suggestion also. Thank you.